This will be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To change your default download destination in the Brave browser, the first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the tab that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to go down toward the bottom where it says Downloads, and you want to click on Downloads. And in the center pane up here, this right in here, Location, the location of your downloads, by default it downloads it to your Downloads folder. To change that, you just click on Change. And in the dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you can change your download destination. Do you want to download them to your desktop, to your documents, to your pictures? You just change it right here by clicking on it. And you can even actually, I clicked on desktop, you could place it inside of a desktop folder if you wanted to. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom here and I'm going to click on Select Folder. And now as you can see, my download destination is the desktop now. Down below that, ask where to save each file before downloading. You can enable that or disable it. Then it will ask you, when you download something, it will ask you where you want to download it to by toggling this on. That is how you change your download destination in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.